back, guys. I know when you see everything here, so you know it's a porridge we're gonna make, right? We're gonna make some Jamaican nice gooey sweet potato pudding. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're going to use 3 pounds of potato, sweet potato, 1 pound of yellow yam. If you're living overseas, make sure that you get the Caribbean potato, because the foreign potato something there, me not like it. It's just not for pudding. All right. We're going to use fresh coconut, vanilla, mixed almond essence, sugar, flour. You're going to need some melted butter. I've been soaking some raisins as well in some white rum, just to preserve the cake a little, right? Now, right here, so we have salt. I have ginger, ground ginger. That is optional. I just like the flavor of ground ginger in pastries. Nutmeg. I have cinnamon and mixed spice. All right. So let's get started. Now we're gonna peel the potatoes, right? This is the nice Jamaican yellow sweet potato. And guys, make sure that you wash your produce before you use them. All right, so now that I've peeled all my potatoes, I am going to slice them, because guess what, I am going to grate it. I will not be using my food processor. I don't trust it that much, because we have had a couple running before now, so I don't even trust it. So I will just use the time to grate all of these old-fashioned way. Get my little grater right here, so. And just grate them. Now, if you choose to use the grater, mind your hand cut. You know, we grew up a country, we know if you do them things fast. Don't know about you, but I used to love helping my grandmother in the kitchen, man. Making all those blue jars and potato pudding, cornmeal pudding, drops, all of them something there. I just remember her for that, man. Oh my gosh. Toto. Oh God. See me, I go fast, you know, guys. Me telling you, country me grew up, you know, man. Proud and ovarian. When you know, want to see me lip out, me fully and great, you know, man. It's not a lot to have leave, though. We're down to the last one now, and this took me like about 7 minutes to grate. 3 pounds of sweet potato. What we're going to do now, we're going to blend up the coconuts, right? So let me blend it and come right back. Okay, we're going to sift the flour. Maybe just sift all of the dry ingredients and done. Remember now, we're going to go with the liquid now. You can see we blend out this so nice. We want 3 cups. And to the coconut milk, we're going to add the butter, the melted butter, sugar, or vanilla. Remember, all the ingredients will be available in the description box. And a little essence. Combine all the ingredients together. We're going to grate the yam. Continue combining the products. You want to make sure you don't see any flour. We can't make potato pudding and don't use some of the coconut trash in there, right? I just love to bite down on some of them and taste it. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it in there, but I just saw me grow up and see my granny do it, so me I can do it too. Alright, we're going to add our liquid. Remember, you want it to look thin enough. Well, not too thin or too runny, but you want to make sure you have enough liquid. That's how your potato is going to be a soft pudding. Now, your mixture should look something like this. Not too dry and not too runny. Now, we're going to add the raisins. May I tell you, say, this smells so nice, guys. I'm not lie. I'm not lie. Smell good. I don't know. Growing up on a Sunday, some farmer baking with a afia go on. But if you're not Caribbean, tell me what you usually do on a Sunday. Tell me what the family do on Sunday or something. We want to know. So make that comment in the comment section. Alright, so what we're going to do now is to pour it out into this grease baking tin. The remainder we're going to add it in a smaller tin, but you want to add this to the oven for roughly around an hour and a half. I will let you know in the description box how long it took me to bake. Alright, so catch you a little later because we're going to add the little slurry on the top with the coconut milk and the sugar and the butter. If you have a 9-inch pan, this butter is perfect for it. I don't have one, or I don't know where to find mine. So I use a 7-inch, right? So we're just going to put the remainder in another little pan that I found. Don't know about you guys, but me I tell you, say, see, anytime you're ready to find my something, a problem. Half hour through baking now, we're going to add the glaze on the top, right? Okay, this is literally half hour in. We're going to add the glaze or the slurry for it. Now listen, what I did not note, I added coconut milk, melted butter, a little bit of cinnamon, and also a pinch of salt. Alright, this is what is going to let your potato pudding nice and soft on top. Now this is the small one, guys. I took it out a while ago and me tell you some I have to cut out a little piece because it's so nice and soft and gooey, just like how my grandmother used to do it. So what I want to point out to you, when you're going to bake the potato pudding, if you do decide on using this recipe, please water bath your pudding, meaning put a pan, an extra pan at the bottom of the oven with some water in there so your pudding can steam. Alright, that's how I prefer it. That's how, again, I grew up with my grandmother doing it, and I just passing this information on to you. Okay, alright, so we're going to wait until the bigger one is finished and then we see how that come out. Let me take up this little one here so and show you. Alright, see there how it look? And you know, as it gets cold, it's going to firm up a little bit more. See? There you have it, guys, my sweet potato pudding, all baked. I baked this at 180 degrees for 1 hour and a half, right? So if you want to have that nice gooey soft sweet potato, guys, follow everything step by step and the recipe as well. All right, so I wanted to cut it for you, but may I tell you, I took it out half hour now and it's still very hot. So I will do a little clip of that and show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.